I wanted to show this quick tip about how to dry the first row of a peony to make sure that the petals are actually going to fit, because the problem that you run into is when you're drying the petals that go, I do these on a styrofoam ball. Oh, I'm gonna move it here. I do these on a styrofoam ball, the center, and then I will wire the rest of the petals onto the wire that the center is attached to. But if this part of the petal that attaches to the wire is too flat, it can stick out like, I'm trying to get this in front of the camera. It can stick out like that, and then it won't lie flat. So the way that I fix that is I will dry the center upside down on a rack. And then when these are wet, I'll take the petals as they're wet and they're not dry yet, and I will just put them on the center itself so that when they dry to the contour of the center. And that way I know that when I go back and put the first row on, they're actually going to fit the flower and not stick out too much. These are dry, but I'm just showing you how they fit on there. So these actually will fit, they'll dry with the contour of the center. Make sure that they're not overlapping each other. And like I said, that way when you turn it upside down and you wire everything together, this first row is going to fit the flower. So it's not sticking out and looking all strange. So try that. It's a good tip. You have to make sure that your gum paste isn't sticking to itself, but usually as long as you don't put water or gum glue or something in it, it's not going to stick to the center of the flower. So that's all. Leave me any questions and I will answer them as soon as I get a chance.